Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to work on cleaning this area up again so that I can actually use it as a greenhouse, which is what it was intended for. I'm going to put any dirt I have in this bucket. I didn't know this was make sure I get all this glass out before I weed eat, because I certainly don't want the weed eater to shoot glass into my leg or anyone else. Alright, I think we got it. You can follow him on Instagram, Faster Baxter. Okay, see, this is why everyone loves succulents, people. Because I haven't watered in here for days, and I still have a thing that's alive on the bottom shelf I totally forgot about. So don't knock them if you can't grow anything. Try it. Wow. See what I'm saying about succulents, dudes? Look at this. Let me see if I can zoom in. There is some stuff alive in there, right here. Someone's even got a bloom that's desperately trying to live. So I'm just going to water that, and I'm sure that'll come right back. So don't knock succulents until you really give them a good go. Some sort of thing in there. I have some sort of things in there. We'll plant those, see what they do. Oh, I smell a corpse. I have a really good corpse nose. I definitely smell a corpse over here. So, either my dog got a rat, or there's just a dead one from earlier somewhere. Oh, apparently I pressed stop instead of unpause. Okay, well, I weed eated in there and I yelled at my dog. And now I gotta go get a little rake. My advice is get these things when they're green, and then you won't have to deal with this. No. Apparently I didn't record a ending, so I didn't have enough storage. This is what I did. I cleaned up in here and cleaned up out in there. And all I did was talk about the water line. So this is some cheap stuff that I'm going to replace with good stuff now that I know that stuff is super cheap and plentiful. This is a timer, and I have a hose attachment to attach my regular hose, and I have a water hammer on it as well so that this doesn't pop off when the water switches. And that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want to know when I'm posting videos, and most importantly, have a great day. Thanks for watching.